Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to add sitemap in Google Search Console so that you can connect your website with Google Search Console. So as you can see, I am into Google Search Console dashboard, right? And here in the left side toolbar we have an option of sitemap. I'm going to click on sitemap, and here it is asking me the sitemap URL, right? So in WordPress it is by default https://www.example.com. whatever you have domain name, you just need to type that. As in my case it is digitalbikana.com/sitemap.xml, right? In the slug part you need to write sitemap.xml after your domain name. Then you need to click on submit. Okay, it is showing me the status that could not fetch, but in few seconds or few hours it would automatically change to active, right? So again I am refreshing this page, and as you can see the status is success as of now. So this is how you can add sitemap in Google Search Console. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Google Search Console, then I have added my blog link in the video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Google Search Console. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have added my website link in video description. You can simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.